Hey guys, just wanted to show you guys what entries I used for Gleam. This viewer requested this video, so here you go. So what you're going to use is you can use more, but every business and every campaign should have these six for sure, and more if it applies to your niche. But for this, you definitely want to have subscribed to newsletter. You want to have subscribed to channel, your YouTube channel. Visit on Facebook. Visit a page, which is like visit your website in most cases, and then viral share is a definite, probably the most important, and then bonus. Okay, and I'll explain these right now. So subscribe to newsletter simply means they subscribe to your email list. Okay, and you're going to want to make this action mandatory. And what that'll mean is they have to do this before they can even see any of the other options. All right, and you can make it worth whatever you want, probably just one because it's going to be mandatory. You'll sync up your email service, so like MailChimp, Klaviyo, whatever you use. And then that's definitely a must. You have to do that. And then what you're going to do is you're going to actually set it to where it creates a list. So everybody that subscribes, that enters the giveaway, gets on your list. Okay. Now the rest you can do in order of importance and whatever matters most to you, and set the value of the entries accordingly. But this is subscribe to your channel, so people simply subscribe to your YouTube channel. You link it, visit your Facebook, and you can, they just visit it. What you can do when they subscribe to the newsletter, or actually when you set up the campaign, is you can make it optional for them to like the page as well, because Facebook won't actually let you force people to like your page, or to at least enter. It's against their policies. And then visit a page is a very good one if you want to drive website traffic, which most people do. So you'd simply put in the URL of whatever page you want them to enter, and that just lets them get to your offer page or whatever it is that you want to promote with this giveaway, and actually like make a purchase or subscribe or whatever. And then viral share is the big one, because that is how you get the campaign, or the giveaway campaign, to go viral organically, while spending minimal money, if any, and still having a very successful campaign. So this is a big one. So you're going to want to make this one worth a lot more than the other ones, because you, like, in terms of entries, because you want to incentivize people to refer their friends. And I would just make this unlimited amount of times, whatever, and then you can edit your share text to just make it as easy as possible for people to share it, and have the highest converting messages. And then you're going to have a bonus. So what this is like, you want to make this a daily entry and make it worth a decent amount, because if more people keep coming back to re-enter the contest, it keeps them engaged with your brand for longer periods of time. And that's really good, because it takes in advertising, you can't, the first time somebody sees your ad, it's extremely unlikely that they're going to convert. They usually have to be exposed to you like anywhere from like 5 to 15 times before they're going to convert. So if you keep hitting them, then there's a higher chance each time that they're going to purchase whatever you want. And then there's a lot of other ways, but it really depends on what niche you're in. Like, for Instagram could be a big one, Google Plus maybe, Pinterest, there's lots of other ones, but for this, these are really the core elements. I probably would have had Instagram, but it's just not relevant to the niche that I'm in at the moment. So yeah, so that's what you're going to want to do. Yeah, if you like this video, guys, just go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe to the channel for more cool content like this, and just drop a comment in the below if you have any questions, and that's it. So yep, this is Daniel. Hope it helped. Bye bye.